Good morning, people. So this is the full day we have in course. We woke up, took some breakfast. I will insert the clip over here, just watch it. Yeah. And breakfast was really nice. I'll be full like the whole day. Then after that went out, took some pics. Of course I have to take pics. Then right now we're still taking pics. Then after this we should be going to, where is this place? Snake Park. Then go out for swimming. Why do you come to coast if you're not swimming? Why would you come to coast if you're not swimming? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog and please subscribe. Now watch, now subscribe. I mean, I'm trying to put out content out here for you, so just subscribe. Yeah. How my nails? But then I did my nails. So let me take some pics, then would be good to go. I don't know if you can hear me, but we just got here at the beach at Mombasa Beach Hotel. So yeah, we want to inquire about the swimming pool because we want to take some pics by the swimming pool. Then I don't know if you can hear me, then we can come back here at the beach, take other pics. Yeah, we need to look. This is the call, that's the beach. Yeah, and I changed into a sundress. Yeah, this is so beautiful. I wish I could stay here like forever. Yeah. To change, this is the ladies room. Yeah, so we're going to change, and I hope this looks pretty well. Not what I expected, but that's it. The changing rooms there. That's me. My sundress looks so good. Hata nikienda Nairobi nitakuwa navaa sundress kila siku. Don't you think? It's so pretty. Like I told you. One time sundress, the next time I'm in a bikini. So let me go do a bikini haul, which I will be posting after this video, and yeah.
silky run, but the finish let him down.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you, like a wave returns to the sea. The seasons come and go like thoughts of you, like a wave returns to the sea.